name's Remenda and I'm an English teacher in Bradford. Back with another top tip to help you address gaps in your students' learning. My second top tip is to use example responses. There's lots of ways to do this, but here's how I like to use them. After my students attempt a timed response in class, I go through an example response, picking out specific skills and showing my students what should be included in their answers. While I do this, my students highlight where they've achieved the skill in their own work. Now, I like to use the Exampro Highlights tool to do this, as they have a bank of example responses written by real students at a range of levels and in time conditions. Using the tool, I can quickly highlight misconceptions whilst demonstrating what a good response should look like. This lets me really drill down and demonstrate the differences in achievement. The fact that the responses on highlights are written by real students in timed conditions also helps show my students that achieving higher marks in the time given is doable. There you go, use example responses to help highlight specific skills and demonstrate differences in achievement. I hope you found my second top tip useful, and I'll be back again soon with a third.